Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Friday the 11th of December with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at gold, and the gold price is beginning to slide away again. The last couple of days trading has been pretty poor, pretty weak, disappointing for gold. The rally that we saw on Wednesday petered out quite significantly, and since then it's just been sliding ever so gently back. You've also breached the reaction low at 1067.25 today. And just looking across the momentum indicators, really, it would suggest that the upside has lost impetus, isn't it? Stochastics have rolled over, now falling away. RSI falling away from 50. And the MACD line's not really doing a great deal either. So this would still suggest that any sort of intraday move, any intraday rallies are a chance to sell. I think that gold will probably just drift maybe until the Fed meeting, and then it will probably have a significant move on the FOMC announcement and statement. But in front of that, I'm still thinking that sort of the dollar is likely to remain fairly solid in front of that, and that should remain sort of keep the pressure on the downside for gold price. So the fact is that these technicals are rolling over like this is pretty much in keeping with that argument. You've got the hourly chart, which generally is forming a more negative configuration now. Sort of the RSI in the last couple of days is sort of camped in the lower reaches on the hourly chart below 50. Lower highs, lower lows going on. You've broken below that reaction support, as I said, 1067.25, and this mini rally that we've seen intraday today has already sort of found resistance. 1072, that comes underneath yesterday's rally high of 1076. So it just generally is these rallies are being sold into, and as I said, I think that's probably going to continue to be the case until this Fed meeting next week. Now the next support comes in around that 1057 mark. Oh, whoops, 1057 there, 1057.75, and subsequently the key low at 1045.85. So a few levels for you to work with, but it certainly seems as though gold is on the drift again, and the drift generally takes gold lower. So I'll wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again next week. Thank you.